Go out of your comfort zone. Actually, kini siya gyud permi nako madunggan sa mga tao nga naging successful na sa ilahang field. Okay? But right now, nakara ko'y ganahan nga i-share pod sa inyo ha. Kasi makarelate sad mo. Okay? For a long time ago, I thought staying where I was comfortable meant na okay ra. Same routine, same ang environment, same ang circle, and also the habits, same ra pod. Wala siya risk, wala po siya pressure. Pero ang kapait lang is wala po siya growth. No? What do you expect man? No? My realization is this. Comfort zone feels safe, but they silently limit us. One of the biggest steps I took recently was going to the gym. Simple ra paminawon pero para nako na kaayo nga decision. And to tell you honestly, I feel shy, insecure, and even question if I belong there. But I push myself to show up. Unsa ako na-realize karon? First is ang physical aspect nako. I became stronger not for others but for myself. Okay? Then second is emotionally. No, it taught me that I can release stress in a healthier ways. Then the third point is mentally and academically. It reminded me that discipline in one area can inspire discipline in others. And most importantly, my spiritual aspect. God showed me that growth happens when we trust Him beyond what feels familiar. I learned that God does not want us to stay in the same place forever. He calls us to grow, to stretch, to become the person He designed us to be. And that requires stepping into the unknown. Sometimes the breakthrough you've been praying for is waiting on the other side of your comfort zone. And we must remember that all God needs is your first brave step. So start now. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye bye.